Hello everyone, my name is Indrawati Kusumadewi, student of LSPR Jakarta from class IR 22 to SP. This time I will tell you about my experience when taking classes from Mr. Charles Bonar Sirait. Sir Charles' class gave me a new experience, which was to make videos. In the process of making the video, I understand if it turns out that making the video is difficult. Not to mention if I have to repeat because of misreading or interference such as the rooster suddenly crows until the sound of the ringing phones. An interesting story that I remember that the table I was going to use to work on the mid-test video is suddenly collapsed. When I lift the biggest part, the table fell completely. So I had to postpone making a mid-test video because I had to find another alternative to support my laptop and my tripod. Before taking Sir Charles' class, I once took a short public speaking class when I joined a pageant. From there, I learned basic in public speaking for Q&A sections. But it turns out that public speaking is far from just what I've learned before. In Sir Charles' class, I learned many new things, one of which was speaking well in front of the camera. In this class also taught me about how to write a good script, dress well, manage camera properly, and also formally edit videos. Other things that I got from this class is I feel more confident to speak English than ever before, because before this I always speak English afraidly because I feel that my English is bad. Thank you for the lesson you gave to me. This class is very useful for me in the future. I thank Sir Charles for sharing useful knowledge for all of us. I hope that I can meet in person with Sir Charles later. Thank you.